Alright guys, so yesterday I put a new chain on it, fixed my rear subframe, and did my gauges, got them fixed. Today, me and Cameron are going to put a new set of clutches in it. Well, they're used clutches, but we're going to try to get rid of that clutch stuff it's been having. We'll see how it goes. So Cameron's here now. Like I was saying, we're going to do the clutch in this bike here in a minute. And I'm going to make him do most of the work, but we're going to try to get rid of that clutch slip. Hey guys, here's how we're doing it. This one's got this on it. That's going to be number 1. I set it on the line. It's going to be 2, 3, 4, all the way around, going down the line. So I know what order they come in case any of them are longer than the others. Don't need that, just fucking turn it. Left, lefty loosey. Let's get this pan over here in case it starts to leak. Set it next to number 1. Number 2, alright, keep going. Don't mix up the order. If any of them are longer, they need to be in the same hole. Cheap labor is great. Do what? Yeah, it goes in the trunk. Alright guys, something I'm noticing. The guy did before I got to it. He RTV'd the hell out of it. And the end of the bolts got RTV on them. You can't have that shit. So we gotta clean off the ends of these bolts. And clean out the holes so it don't crack the case having all that RTV in it. Alright, so there's number 3. Go at it, Cam.
Where's the pole? Oh, there it is.
Right. Oh, wherever you took it. Knock the rest of them out. Keep them in order. Don't kick them around.
This way.
Lefty loosey. That's righty tighty. That's probably it. Is that one covered in RTV too at the end? Nope, that one's not so bad. Still have to clean out the holes. Go ahead, keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, you're good.
I need to sit down for this.
I broke all them loose previous to this, but we're going to go ahead and let him do the job.
Ooh, that one's longer.
Just as long as it's in order, it don't matter.
Like that?
Yeah, those are all the same. They're good so far.
Oh, there's one.
It's pretty close.
They're getting smaller.
I'm not sure if this is going to leak oil out or not, but I'm hoping it don't.
3 more left? No.
If it does, it shouldn't leak much.
That one's long. That one's long. Oh gosh.
Don't worry, we're just getting started.
We'll have a lot more to go.
Yep. Well, probably 5 or 6.
Got it.
I think there's 5 in the pressure plate. Maybe a nut or 2, I don't know. I'm tired of hearing that beep, 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 beep on that door. So far, these all look like they're the same size, though. Said so far they all look like they're pretty close to the same size. Alright. Make sure the pan's centered underneath it.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me pull this side so we don't pull this harness out. Then it's just glued on good. Here, let me. I have to get a flathead or something. Nope, here it goes. There we go. Push this harness back. Let's just pick up. Alright, hold on a second. We'll get that. Probably should be a plug I can disconnect right here, but I don't see it.
There's not a plug.
No, there is. It's just got to be up in here somewhere.
Probably.
Right up in here. Here we go. Alright, I'll get back to you guys when I unplug. So I got it out. There was a plug, just like I said there'd be. It was up in here. Yeah, my hands are dirty just from doing that. This thing's dirty bike. We're going to go ahead and pull this clutch out. It's not bad, and it seems tight with the clutch out. And it works. It just, when I rev it up and I get on it hard, it slips a little. It could be the oil they're running in this. But we'll work that out. I might shim it or stack the clutches. Maybe just scrape up my steels. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So we can't use the ratchet to pull these ones out, because these ones got to come out evenly. So we can't use that. We got to use this ratchet so I can do it by hand. Because I'm going to go quarter turn here, quarter turn, and it's got to come out in an X pattern evenly. We're going to put this 10 on instead of that 8. Put the 8 over there where the other one is. Take the 8 off. So these are the gears for my cams and stuff. Those look good. Everything looks good in here. Well, don't look bad. Pump's all good looking. Well, that's good. I got it. I got the 10 right here. Just put the 8 where it goes.
Yeah, I just did.
Alright, now, like I said, I'm going to crack all these loose.
Then I'm going to do it.
Well, they got to come out evenly.
I know.
Because there's springs under them. See the springs? Biggest thing is making sure they come out evenly.
Evenly.
Yep.
Like same thing?
Go grab onto it. No, take them out a turn and a half or something. Or, yeah, just a little ways, I guess. That'll be fine. Now, moving a star pattern. Go down here or there. Pick which one. Star pattern. Down. Take it out a little ways.
Oh, I see springs.
Yeah. Just do that. Keep going in star pattern until they come out. Because you don't want them to unload unevenly. You gotta do it slow. Let them unload. Or they'll get in a bind sometimes. It really matters more going back together, but it's good practice to take it apart that way too. Keep going. You got a long ways to go. Remember, do them evenly. That's not a star pattern, but I'll live with it. Like I said, this isn't important coming apart as it is going back together. I think that one's out further than the rest of them, isn't it?
Yes.
Well, you better move in your star pattern like I told you to. Now back that one out to about the same spot as that one. No, it's not as far as that one. You better go as far as this one. See how far it is on the back? Back it out further. Now you be ready. Them are under pressure. Them springs are going to come out of there. It's going to shoot that bolt at you. Move to this one. Take it out to as far as that one is.
Will I get hit?
Not if you keep a hand on it. Next. Just keep moving your star pattern.
I gotta move over here.
It's not going to come out like that. I'm just saying they will shoot out a little. They're not under that much pressure. It's not like coil spring or nothing. It's just fucking clutch spring. Move on to the next one or whatever. Star pattern. Like I said, they got to come out even. You can see that they're not even. This one's not as far as the rest of them. See? Like I said, this isn't that important going out, but going back in it is. Here, let me do this. You're holding me back, bud. Alright. Backing it up, backing it up, backing it up. Pretty close. Backing her up, 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 backing her up. Again, just keep going. Just gotta keep them somewhat in the same fucking area.
How are we gonna put them back in?
I'm good at this, don't worry.
You're just gonna push them in and put that in?
Yep, and I'm probably gonna make them stronger. I'm probably gonna put a washer under them and make them even tighter. It's gonna make my clutch pull a little harder, but it'll stop it from ever leaking or slipping again, hopefully.
Oh yeah, where's the plastic for this thing? Right here.
I don't have them. It was wrecked. That's why we're doing all this work, is someone else wrecked it. See, the springs aren't even under pressure no more. They're already loose.
I'm gonna try. Do it.
You should be able to pull them off here soon. The bolt might be a little longer. There it is. Grab bolt and spring both. Grab the spring too. See, they're unloaded now, so we'll just get them out. Like I said, going back together is the important part. It don't matter. They're all the same. They're all the same.
Let me try this.
Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna get the other clutch out of my backpack, set everything up. Then when we take it apart, I'll make sure the discs go back in the same way. I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is out of my Sparks bike. This is the other clutch. It's pretty good, everything looks fine to me. The steels are cross-hatched. This one's been a little warm, you know, no biggie. I guess that one's been a little warm too. But the clutches are good, is what I'm saying, in case these ones are bad. I don't know if them ones are bad, because I ain't taking them out yet. But I did notice that these springs are quite a bit bigger than those ones. Which is good, because like I said, that one was slipping. So I'll probably put the bigger springs in. Like I said, I'm going to have to take this part. Hold on, don't mix them springs up. I mean, I'll be able to tell the difference, but don't do it. So we've got this off. We're going to pull it out. I'm going to see how these are stacked up and how it goes. You can see that's bad. It's been slipping there. I probably should grab the other pressure plate, because that is bad. I didn't think it was going to be that bad. Hold on, Cam. I got to do this part here. I need to know. Them steels actually look really good. These clutches don't look too bad. Maybe it's just the springs I need to replace. I don't know. But that pressure plate is definitely an issue. But I have another one. I can grab it. The pressure plate's all scraped up. My new one's at Daniels. But yeah, we're going to set these out in order and see what's going on. We'll get back to you. Alright guys, I ain't sure what's happening here. This one has definitely been rubbed on pretty hard around the outside there. It's the only one like that. It was the back one in the case, which looks fine back there. The sides here of the basket are a little chunked up. Usually I'd smooth them out with file, but I ain't got one on me.
We do.
But I've got another basket, so I might just change it out. This thing's definitely had a little abuse. And them sides there in the basket might be what's making it slip, actually. This pressure spring was probably in the wrong spot, but maybe not, it looks like, because this one is actually smaller than the rest, I'm pretty sure. But like I said, this was rubbing bad. I don't know what's up with that. Let me look at these, see if one of these is smaller. I'm sure one of them is. So we might replace the whole stack, or I might replace it with them. Yes, I see you, Cameron. I'm trying to work this out. I don't actually know which one of these is better clutch setup, because them look fine to me. And I like the steels in this. This looks like aftermarket shit here. I like it. It's just that one there is fucked. So we might go back with them and just the stronger springs. I might try to replace just this back one. I don't know. But I definitely need to replace the front, or the pressure plate off the front. But we're going to throw it back together for now. I'll get a pressure plate and see what happens. Alright. Guys, so Cameron found me a file, and I've started filing these down. Just enough that they don't catch as much. And I got the rag in here trying to keep all the metal out of the motor because I ain't pulling it apart. Now, this is not something I'd recommend if you could afford a clutch basket. I have a clutch basket, just I gotta go get it from another place, and the clutch slip isn't that bad. It's just, it could definitely be where it's catching in these grooves right here, because you can feel them hardcore, and that could definitely be causing my clutch slip. So I'm just smoothing them out a little, so they'll slide back in when it clamps better, and maybe that'll help. I still gotta go get that pressure plate. I'm gonna stack these clutches back in here after I get all these, just on the power side, smoothed out. But that's your update. Alright guys, so I know there's gonna be someone in the comments who's like, you're doing this wrong, and you're right. I should have took the basket out, but I learned this doing dirt bikes a long time ago. When these get all grooved up like they were, they will catch the clutches. They won't stay closed right. I fucking filed it out. I cleaned it up the best I could. The bike needs an oil change anyway. We'll get it when I get it. I have another clutch basket. I might change it if it's any better. But these clutches are going to slide in and out of this so much smoother now. Like, they ain't going to catch. It's not going to be an issue. Other issues may be an issue, but that slides right in there. No catching on the grooves. Nothing. Hold on that. It's so much smoother there. So that's going to help. Hold on that. Cameron.
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. We're on video and I'm still going to yell at you. Calm down. But yeah, that's going to be alright, guys. We'll clean it up, slap it back together, and I'll take it for a test ride. We'll see what happens. But I'm pretty sure that's going to fix my clutch slip. And plus, we got the bigger springs. It's going to be a great time. I'll get back with you guys. Alright. Alright, guys. I got back together. It's clamping down. Awesome. It works good. Even with the better springs in it, it's not that hard to pull. I'm still going to have to get my pressure plate. I'm about to clean this up, slap it back on. I'll take you guys for a test ride. We'll see what's happening. Peace. Alright, guys. I've got it back together. I took it for a quick test ride. I gassed on it a little bit to the first few gears, and I didn't feel the clutch slipping no more. I'll still do that pressure plate, but, yep, there it is.